Alright guys, welcome back to the show for today. We've got a beautiful 50-degree day out. We're trying to get the throttle rod finished up on the Minneapolis Moline 5-star. So, I don't know why my old throttle rod and my new engine don't match yet, or didn't match the same up because they look identical. But we're going to add about, looks like 2 inches to this rod today so we can make it into a nice solid piece. And that is basically the plan. So to give you guys a good look here, I'll take you down here. We can see where it was goobered up last time. We're going to come in here, make a good mark, and cut that and weld that back together. That is the plan. All right. Ready, Luke?
Yep.
Okay. I am all the way on an idle. What about you? Okay. Lift it where you want it. All right, that looks pretty good.
Behind the messed up section.
You got 2 good marks?
Yep.
All right. Go put that in the vise and cut it. I'll get this other piece. Okay. All right, Luke, give it an operation, nice and easy. Opens up, that's wide open, now back down to idle. Perfect. All right. So we're going to take a minute and make sure that all looks good. Luke, go ahead and get your helmet, get your rod, and we'll get it all lined up there for you, okay? That ought to take a nice weld, gentlemen. All right. Okay, that looks pretty good. Try to just get a dot there to get you started. Okay, go. Nice. All right. Nope. Do that again. Hold on. All right. Go ahead. Okay, hold on. You got that, Luke? think it'll hurt anything though. Where's your hammer at? Nah, that was just slag, bud. So that actually turned out pretty nice. Can you put a little bit more of a bead and then we'll grind it down? You want me to bump you down one?
Yeah.
That's 90. I'll rotate it for you. Give it a couple of taps.
It's as good as you're gonna get it filled in. Flush.
That looks pretty good. I don't know about you guys, but we're going to do a little bit of polishing on that and call it good. Alright, slip it in. Test it for the final time. Okay, on and idle, wide open. Looks like we've got full movement everywhere, don't you? Okay, that's good for right. All right, guys, so we're back again. We are going to be putting this in. Flat washer first, lock washer second, right?
Yep.
And then spin that on as far as you can. Oh, damn, sorry, that thing. Wow, that one's heavy. All right, we're gonna have to move you guys around a little bit here. That piece is kind of heavy. All right, I think you guys got a decent view from there. Okay, Luke, I get both hands on it now. Go. Okay, hold on. Oh, come on. Okay, now I can hold something. Go ahead. I got this. Go back to your wrench. Where did you say you put the hose for this?
If you didn't take it out of the suburban, it's in there.
Oh. Oops. There, now you can get the box end on it. It'll go a little quicker for you. just bring it up snug till we get the, that's good right there. Okay. Oh, that's off. Look over here. I think we're going to have to put a shim behind that, Luke. Come over and look at this. Look at how this doesn't line up with that. All right, guys, we'll bring you back as soon as we give that a little closer look. All right, guys, we are back again here. Here is our belt that we found for the 5-star VJG, made in India, C46, Pix X set. Kind of a different belt, but we're going to go ahead and install it. All right, we should be able to slide this down just a little bit. Back that off just enough. Slide it down and make it easy. Will she slide yet? Slide her down. Perfect. There you go. Boy, that doesn't want to go at all, does it? Okay, pull on this right here toward you. Go. Oh. Yes or no, Luke?
Give me a second.
Oh, whoops, sorry.
Alright, so we've gotten the belt on now. Let's get the shimmy down there.
Alright, there we go. Okay. Let me come over there. Where's your little pry bar at?
Other side.
Alright. Luke, check the video camera. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay, come on over here and tighten it up. Alright guys, so I'm just going to hold up a little bit. Luke's going to tighten this up. Got a decent grip on it. Don't go crazy yet. We'll probably be adjusting a little bit. Okay. All right. Well, there we go. That's not bad. Let's I like the feel of that, Luke, don't you? We are going to start. Oh dear God, we just did the stupid. Should put that in there before we did that. Meh. Oh man. Well, loosen that up and let that slide all the way down. Maybe I can stick it in that way. We're going to be good at this by the time we're done with it, right? Okay, so this is Grumpy's fault on this one, right? Blame it on Dad. Try your box in, it'll make your life easier. Alright, will that slide on down? There we go. Okay. So now, slide it the rest of the way down. There we go. We're probably going to be pulling that back off, but... Damn, Luke. I'm sorry. Well, let's go ahead and pull it off there. Alright, hold on a second. Let me get that set up there. Alright, now try your hand. Alright, get that out of there nice and easy. Okay, we'll come back over here to the bench. Flip that over. See where the paint's at? Should we put a little bit of Loctite on those? Nah, we'll be okay. Okay, get them all down before you put the beans to it. Remember, you're a big boy, and that's a tiny bolt. All right. I think that looks good and tight. All right. Here, I got a little more room over here. We can't win for nothing, can we? Oh. Those are, I think those are 3/4. All right, guys, we're back here working on the 5-star. We've taken it further apart just to get the fan belt on, and that's on me. I should have took better pictures. All right, so pull that piece out of there. Now we can get this down in there, right? There we go. All right. Whew. Hold on. Pick this up, set it in there, put the belt first, belt first. All right, there we go. There is the jigsaw puzzle of pain we have been inflicting upon ourselves. You ready? Okay, that one is started. Run them down and we'll snug them up. Okay. Where's our 1/2 inch draw? You got it there? Okay. Just tighten them like they felt when you took them apart. Nice. There you go. Okay, so we know that the 5-star fan won't go in there with the radiator on like that from the shaft. We had to do it the hard way, didn't we? Mm-hmm. Okay, you got the 2 washers? Oops, sorry. Here is the nut. The belt is on the bottom. The belt is on that. You like it?
Yep.
Okay, so we're just gonna set that right there. Now run your nut in. I'll hold this side. No, I don't have a ratchet one. I'm just gonna have to use the box end and go. Even after we wire brushed that thing and cleaned it up, it's just got a tight spot in it, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Pretty close.
Let's tighten up some more.
Right. Well, I didn't expect this to take us all afternoon, did you? Sorry about that. You want me to come over there? You got it. Come over there and hold it. You ready to tighten it up? Okay. That's plenty. All right. I think that looks pretty good for the day, Luke.
Oh yeah,
Don't you?
forgot to put this back on too.
We will.
Yeah, it takes 2 bolts and it's covering up 1.
So, our next step over here is... All right, guys, that's going to be all for today. Thank you for coming. I'm Grumpy, and that is The Apprentice.